jumping up and down the floor. My hair is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say.
Čula sam da se Hani netko sviđa.
Vidjela sam je vani, to mi je tako odvratno.
Da, ne znam kako joj se ne gadi.
The bees had declared a war. The sky wasn't big enough for them all.
Da jeste, su zajedno. Masumenti su samo tračevi. Ja nisam tako čula, a ona nije tako vidjela.
Pedro.
Jumping up and down the floor. My hair is an animal.